It's 2025, and if you're still wondering how people are making money online with zero experience, this is the video you've been waiting for. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just tired of the 9-to-5 grind, I'm about to show you the 3 easiest ways to make money online in 2025 without coding, investing, or a huge following. 1. Get paid to share links. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money. You don't need a product, you don't need inventory, you just share links. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Digistore24 will pay you every time someone buys something through your special link. You can promote products you already love on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even Facebook groups. And yes, you can start with 0 followers. 2. Microtasking, quick cash. Want to earn money by just clicking, watching videos, or answering questions? Sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and User Testing pay you for doing simple tasks, no skills required. You won't get rich, but stacking up $10, $20, even $50 a week can really help, especially if you're just starting out. And the best part, you can do this on your phone while watching Netflix. 3. Sell what you know. Even simple stuff. Did you know you can sell digital products, templates, or even basic how-to guides on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Ko-fi? In 2025, people are making $100 a month selling things like budget spreadsheets, printable calendars, or simple ebooks. You only make it once and keep selling it forever. Don't underestimate what you know. Someone out there needs it. These aren't scams. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're real ways people, maybe just like you, are making money online every day in 2025. You just need to start. Pick one, take action, and watch the results come in. No excuses, no waiting. Just go for it. Smash that like button if you're ready to hustle online, and subscribe for more no-nonsense money-making tips.